I had such an amazing time doing this class. They taught us about the importance of finding our own voice print and about our strengths as voice actors. And what I also love so much about it is that they had just a great balance of critique and of encouragement that allowed us, to kind of grow and realize our strengths as voice actors.
They help cut through the noise and teach you all the right things to do and how to do them, while also cheering you on and showing you all the wonderful qualities you already have to offer. Their branding class alone blew my mind and expanded my understanding of what was even possible for me to achieve.
And I had already been working in voiceover, but the skills that I learned from taking this class were it just took me to the next level of booking, because as soon as I finished the class, I went and updated my reel and wind up booking off of my reel.
There I learned not just the technical aspects of being a voiceover artist, but also about branding. It taught me who I am and who I am not, so I could bring my unique strength to all of my voiceover work.
One of the first places I landed, and I'm so glad that I did, because she taught me commercial, promo, how to do character work in commercials. In fact, it paid off, because literally I've got a Red Bull spot running right now that Terry cast.
Teach you how to channel your talents to match the energy necessary to bring the copy to life. Then from there, you went on to the branding and demo prep class, which was so fun. It teaches you how to find the things that you're good at naturally, effortlessly.
I highly recommend this class. You will get so much out of it. You'll learn so much about voice acting as well as yourself. So I hope you have as good of a time as I did doing this class.
If there's anyone out there who's considering voiceover and they need to build a solid foundation first, I would highly recommend VoicePrint West.
I cannot recommend VoicePrint West and Terry Berland enough. You have to check her out. She is so worth it, and it's so worth the investment for your voiceover career.
Really eye-opening and so very helpful.
You're thinking about signing up for VoicePrint West? Do it. VoicePrint West is your ticket. So take a chance, start the journey. You're gonna enjoy the ride, and I know this because I'm having a blast. See you out there.